Hello and welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Ashish Parekh. Now it's a digital era that we're living in. Every activity is online, whether you're ordering food or you're working from your home thanks to the COVID-19 pandemic. So why do you exactly have to stand in long queues at the RTO office to get your DL or your LL? Now you can also do it at the comfort of your home thanks to Delhi government, who has launched 33 new faceless transport related services which can be done remotely without actually having to visit the RTO office nearby. So what are these features? How do you exactly do it? And what is the procedure to be followed? Well, it's all very simple. Let me just show you how it works in a very simple manner. Now just go to Google, search for the Delhi Transport Department, and here's the official website of the Delhi Transport Department. Click on that and that takes you to a list of services, provides you a list of services that Delhi Transport Department provides. Choose any service that you like. For example, we want to apply for a DL. Click on DL. Now the renewal of DL and all of those services, it actually shows you another prompt which is a URL. Clicking on that takes you to a Government of India website. Once you go to that website, select the state of your choice. Here in this case, we are actually looking at Delhi. As soon as you click on Delhi, it actually shows you faceless services. Now it says congratulations, these are all faceless services, and also which means that you don't have to visit any sort of RTOs to avail these services. Now it also includes issuance of learner's license, issuance of duplicate ID, renewal of DL, replacement of DL, and all of these services can actually be availed while you're sitting at home. Now it's very simple. Just close this dialog box, select whatever you want. For example, application of a driver license. Click on this. This is the procedure that you need to follow. Just refer that, click on continue, and go ahead and finish your registration process. Just make sure that your registration number, your vehicle's registration number has to be from Delhi, one of those RTOs from Delhi, for you to avail those services. Because if you are from any other state, it will actually ask you to change your registration to Delhi or shift your address to Delhi. It will be an automated option in case your registration is from somewhere else, which means that this service is only exclusive to Delhi residents, and anyone from outside will actually have to change their address to Delhi to ensure that they get all of these services. Now this is something that Delhi government has been experimenting with over the past 5 months. Over 3.5 lakh people have applied through these particular this particular faceless service, and it actually, once the government Delhi government was convinced that this is a seamless service, that is when they went ahead and decided to roll out this entire feature. So this is all you have to do to make sure that you actually apply for all these basic facilities at the comfort of your own, eliminating any sort of middlemen, eliminating the pain of standing in long queues, and especially during a pandemic which is ravaging the country. Do let us know what you guys think of all of these features, all of the services which are provided, and also what you think of this video. Leave behind your comments in the comment section below, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TV9 Digital. Thanks a lot for watching.